Hello, I'm Anna DeMars. I currently live in Whitakers, North Carolina. I have recently completed the bartender course through Local Bartending School. I had learned quite a bit about properly measuring drinks with the jigger and the shot glass, and a little bit about free pouring, which it's going to take practice. How to check my garnish tray and cut fruit without losing fingers. I had also learned having a sense of humor can help with getting more tips and or having repeat customers. And my instructors did go over North Carolina liquor laws, which that is very helpful with learning how to be a bartender. And my salary expectations, it's about 18 to 19 an hour base. But if it's an establishment where customers are known for tipping very well, that can be negotiated.
Hi, my name is Julianne and I'm from Vista, California. I recently completed my training through the Local Bartending School. I have my RBS certification and my food handler's card. I have a lot of guest experience from Goriana and BJ's, where I made hundreds of positive guest reviews on both Yelp and Google. I'm hardworking and I love fast-paced environments. I'm currently looking for a bartending position where I can grow, create positive guest experiences, and just bring positive energy to any team. Thank you so much for considering my application.
Hi, my name is Declan Kreck. I'm 23 years old and I'm a recent graduate of the LBS Bartending program. I'm looking for a full-time bartending position in the Denver area. A little background about me. I actually come from aviation. I have an aerospace science degree and I worked as a commercial pilot for a little more than a year, but I found myself wanting to do something more people-oriented. I'm a pretty social, extroverted person, and that's kind of what drew me to bartending, is the social aspect of it, of liking what I do and who I do it with. The LBS program's been great, learning things like pouring techniques, garnish cutting, like 24 drink recipes. But what I also appreciate is the safety aspect of it, that a bartender's not there to get people drunk. You're there to make sure that everybody gets home safely. And I think I take a lot of pride in that part of my job too, and I look forward to helping people with that. And as for the pay range, I'd like to shoot for something between the $20-25 an hour would be great. But thanks for allowing me to introduce myself, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bo Erb. I'm a University of Nebraska-Lincoln student, commuter. I really like bartending as a part-time option for me. Uh, I want a $16 an hour wage to help take care of myself. And at LBS, I've learned skills in pretty much everything I think I need that you can't get, that you know, can get without actually being a bartender. And that's skills to teach yourself things and practice techniques of pouring and counting and memorizing recipes. And I've been given a lot of resources by LBS that I can be thankful for. And I'm glad to thank you, LBS.
Hello, my name is Naria Young. I am from Atlanta, Georgia. I stay more on the south side, but I'm not too far from Atlanta. But I thoroughly enjoy taking the classes. I love learning about bartending. Before the classes, I didn't really know much. I have gained so much knowledge about different mixtures, different drinks, different glasses that they go in, just the background of the bar, what goes on behind the bar, what all is put into it, different code languages like 86 and things like that. I thoroughly enjoyed learning everything, and right now I just would love the opportunity to further my knowledge and experience with bartending. It's very intriguing to me. I love interacting and meeting new people. So right now I'm just looking for a new opportunity to be a bartender, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Hi, my name is Joshua Kiza. I'm currently based out of Warwick, New York, and I'm looking for a bartending position. I'm really excited for this bartending career because I love creating great experiences for people. I've always enjoyed hospitality, connecting with guests, creating a positive, energetic work environment. Bartending seems like the perfect next step for me. I recently completed training with LBS where I learned the fundamentals of mixology, proper pouring techniques, customer service, and responsible alcohol service. Along with that, I bring 10 years of experience at a luxury hotel in Manhattan, New York, where I've developed a strong professionalism, work ethic. I could stay calm under pressure and have attention to detail. I'm excited to combine that background with my new skills as a bartender. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I'm looking forward for the opportunity to work for you.